Good evening, students. The first word we are discussing is manifest. It is adverb. It is verb. It means we are showing something clearly, especially a feeling, an attitude, or a quality. Something which is perceived by senses. It is clear and especially by the sense of sight. You can say that the sadness of something was manifest on their faces. In this sense, we use this word. To appear or become easy to notice. Things are easily noticeable, evident, or you can say that distinct. Then we can use this word manifest. Sentences are social tensions were manifested in the recent political crisis. Pakistani economy is suffering and social tensions were manifested, were clear in the recent political crisis. Second meaning is the symptoms of the disease manifested themselves 10 days later. Synonyms are obvious, clear, definite, noticeable. Antonyms are hidden, mysterious, secret. You can also use enigmatic smile, enigma. Family word is manifestly, adverb. The second word is manifesto. It is basically a written statement in which a group of people explains their beliefs and aims, especially one published by a political party to say what they will do if they win an election. Political parties use this word, publications, or you can say that announcement, uh, declare something before elections. I will do if I win the election. In this sense, we use this word manifesto. A public declaration of policy and aims, especially one issued before an election by a political party or candidate. Sentences are the entrepreneurs analyzed the new reform in detail in several articles and manifests. Synonyms are declaration, announcement, and family word is manifestation. The third word is martyr. It is It means a person who is killed because of their religious or political beliefs. A person who suffers very much because of an illness, problem, or situation. It is basically burn at the stake. When you are killing by someone or you are sacrifice for your country, then we use this word. Putting him to death would only make him a martyr. Kill, put to death, put on the rack. These are the synonyms. Antonyms are confessor, murderer. Family word is murder. The last word is mentor. It is noun. An experienced person who advises and helps somebody with less experience over a period of time. It is basically your teacher, your mentor, your advisor, your tutor, or instructor. Sentences are she was a friend and mentor to many young actors. Synonyms are advisor, master. Family word is mentorial. Let's try to make sentences. Each learner should receive guidance from an adult mentor and involve in social work as a part of their curriculum. as it is essential for the upcoming generation, because the civil rights leader became a martyr for his involvement after being assassinated outside his hotel room. For this reason, the social group manifesto considers helping help the poor and stop. Therefore, therefore, the participation of each individual will become manifest. Each learner should receive guidance from an adult mentor, from an adult teacher, and involve in social work as a part of their curriculum, as it is essential for the upcoming generation, because the civil rights leader became a martyr for his involvement. Martyr means kill, put to death, for his involvement after being assassinated. Assassinated means when a politically you are killed, then we use this word assassinate. Assassinated outside his hotel room. For this reason, the social group's manifesto, social group notification announcement considers helping the poor and stopping violence. Therefore, the participation of each individual will become manifest. Manifest means obvious, clear, or explicit, or you can say that noticeable. The first word is mentor. The second word is the martyr. The third word is manifesto. And the last one is manifest. First is manifest. It means obvious, clear, something noticeable, explicit, undeniable, distinct. The word is manifesto. It means notification, announcement, declaration, Term. Third word is martyr. Means burn at the stake. Put to death. Sacrifice. Sufferer. Kill. And the last is mentor. It means consultant, teacher, trainer, instructor, tutor. You have 1 minute. Please revise. After that, I will ask from all of you. Manur, what is the meaning of mentor?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is the meaning of mentor? 92. The fourth word.
Okay. Mentor meaning is consultant, teacher, trainer, instructor, instructor, tutor.
Okay, good. Zubi, what is the meaning of the first word? Manifest.
Clear, noticeable,
No. The first word, manifest.
clear, noticeable,
Yes, good. Mhm. Amna Khalid, what is the meaning of manifesto?
Notification, announcement, and a dictum declaration.
Okay. What is the meaning of martyr?
My turn, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Kill, sacrifice, put to death,
Yes. Amna Khalid, what is the meaning of eminent? Amna Khalid. Manu. Zubi.
मैम एमिनेंट होता है लेवल और स्टेटस
Eminent means famous, eminent person. Let's revise. Eminent means famous personality. Empirical, proved by facts and figures. Empirical evidence. Emulate, copy, replicate. Encroach, it means interference, disturbance. I don't want to encroach on your time anymore. Enervate, it means weak. Engender, creation. Commonly use this word problems in gender. Enigma, mysterious, equitable, fair, impartial. The next word is exalt. It means to praise somebody. Exhort, it means to encourage someone. Expatriate, it means foreigner. Extol, honor. Extricate, release tension. Extrovert, it means socialization, socialize. Fabrication, it means false information. Fauna, it means native animals. Figurative, metaphor. Fortuitous, it means lucky chance. Gesticulate, sign, intimate. Gravity, seriousness. Hegemony, leader, leadership. Heyday, peak days. Idiosyncrasy, it means unusual. Imminent, happening very soon, close, near. Impeccable, it means perfect. Imperial, related to kings. Increment, increase. Ineffable, beyond description, unimaginable. Inexorable. Amna Khalid, what is the meaning of inexorable?
Sorry, ma'am.
Aruj, what is the meaning of inexorable? 79.
Yes, ma'am, is something is impossible to prevent, unstoppable.
Good. Unstoppable. Relentless, persistent, continuous. Good. Infamous.
Means unworth,
Mhm.
dishonorable.
Good. Infernal means conclude. Inundate. Inundation of promotional activities. You can use this word in advertising essay. Inundation of promotional activities have devastating impact on the budget. In this sense, you can use this word. Oversupply, inundate. Lament, it means regret. Languish, it means decay. Load, praise someone. Legacy, it means inheritance or beget. Lucid, it means clear. Magnanimous, it means generous, charitable. Manifest, it means clear. Manifesto, notification. Martyr, put to death, kill. Mentor, your teacher, trainer,